ang lahat ng mga taong yan ay sasamahan ho tayo kung makakapasok pa ang ilan sa kanila mga kaibigan at jump pack, unti-unting nadja-jump pack dahil naman Easter Sunday showdown tayo dito, Dr. J.
Yes, maraming salamat sa iyo, Seb. Happy Easter to everybody on the day of the resurrection of the life. And nakikita nyo naman ay kami, hindi na nga kami makaparada doon sa lugar namin. Medyo malayo na paradahan namin, naglakad na lang kami dahil yun ang daanan ng mga pumipila para manood nitong game. Two very good games, of course. Ginebra going up against Shell and San Miguel going up against Pure Foods later on in the evening. Now, alam mo naman, Seb, siguro nabasa mo na sa kanila yung team standings. Eh, nakikita naman nila, logjam yan, 6 teams fighting for 5 slots. 2 teams are out, practically out. And then, obviously, it's a very important game for Ginebra and also a very important game for Shell.
Okay, focus tayo sa Shell. Medyo minala sila nung last game nila. Tinambakan sila ng San Miguel Beer ng 26 tong game na yon.
Well, obviously, parang hindi sila nakafocus dun sa ball game na yun, no? And for a team that has been leading the tournament to lose by that big a margin, I think they really needed the vacation para medyo makabalik sila sa pagtingin ng tama dito sa tournament na ito, no? Now, of course, the problem there is guys like Ronnie Magsanok and Benji Paras have been going down in numbers. Pero para sa akin personal, ang tingin ko, partnera, the reason why Shell won a lot of games early in the tournament was because of guys like Peter Naron, Elmer Lago, and Jun Marsan contributing. I mean, talagang magaling sila, Ronnie at saka si Benji.